right, everybody, welcome back. Dr. Blumenthal here in the Washington, D.C. office with Natural Transplants. Today, we are excited. We have Bridget coming in from NYC.
Yes,
welcome,
hi,
Bridget.
everyone.
Good to
Thank
see
you
you.
so much.
Thank you for doing this and sharing your story with everybody. Hopefully, this can inspire others like it did you.
Yes.
Please, if you wouldn't mind, share your story with everybody. Tell us, first of all, like how you found us and what you're doing here.
So I found you guys through research. I literally was just looking online. For a few years now, I've been so insecure about my hair and just about wearing it out. It's more so like just my edges and like, the front of my hair really. And honestly, up until like this year, I didn't really know there was a solution like this for it. So I've tried fringes. I've been wearing wigs for the past like 4 years.
You never go out without your wig,
Never
right?
go out without my wig.
No one sees you like this.
Nobody sees me like this. You guys are really getting the, executive experience.
Exactly.
But I'm so glad I found you guys. I feel like there's going to be a great experience. There's so many reviews online. So I kind of knew that I was coming to the right place and I was going to be in safe hands. So I'm definitely excited to get this started.
Awesome. And that's why we're doing this, is to get it out there. Because a lot of women, we hear that a lot. They don't know this is even an option, which is really heartbreaking.
Yeah.
Very good. Well, I'm going to have Ron zoom in. And we talked about bringing the hairline down some. We probably won't bring it down as much as where you wear your wigs, but we'll compromise on that, and obviously on the sides as well too. We talked about you have phenomenal density, and I do not say that to everybody, but your hair is incredible. Obviously, the transplanted hair is not going to be this thick, but naturally, it's not supposed to be anyway. But it's going to be really good. I'm super excited.
I'm so excited.
Yeah, fantastic. Well, we'll draw out all the line, then we'll come check on you in a few minutes. Sound good?
Sounds good.
Right, we are back with Bridget, and we have drawn out the line. I think it's a nice natural look. More importantly, she does too. We got okay from the mom, okay from sister from the pictures. And I think it looks awesome. I think it's going to look really, really good. Nice and natural look. Brought down enough, but not crowding the forehead. How you feel?
Feels good.
You're excited?
I'm excited.
Cool.
I'm excited now.
We shaved the back. I'm going to spin you around. I mean, the hair, you got just incredible hair. We got a couple of Valium on board, and you ready to rock and roll?
Yes, I'm ready to take a nap.
Let's do it. Ready to take a nap. We'll check on you a little bit after the nap. Okay? All right. All right, we are back. We made it, Bridget.
Yes,
congratulations.
Thank
you did fantastic. Be honest with everybody. Tell everybody how it went today.
Okay, so it was definitely like a breeze because of the team. I would say in the beginning part, it was a little painful with the needles and the anesthesia. Is that how you say
Anesthesia,
it? Yes, that. And then towards the end, I started feeling some pain as well.
Yeah.
But
and
that's
you didn't
a part
say
of the
anything.
Process. Yeah, for some time I didn't. I thought it was
fell
part
asleep.
Of the process.
She was snoozing.
Oh yeah.
And then she woke up in pain,
that nap.
but tried to suck it up and didn't say anything. So
the nap was so
I'm not
worth
blaming it on you. But
the nap was so worth it, and now I still feel some pain, but I do think like it's just part of the process. It's not unbearable. So yeah, definitely come get it done.
Good. So we're doing Motrin around the clock, ice around the clock, Percocet if needed, so you can pick that up later.
Yes.
Overall, I am super happy. We talked about this before. The density was actually lower than I expected, which surprised me. I was a little worried we may not get enough grafts to fill it all in. But the coils of your hair is so fantastic that I think it's going to make up for it. So I spread the grafts out just a little bit more than I normally do. We took a little bit extra and we were able just to barely fill it all in. But I think with your coils, I think ultimately it's going to look awesome. I'm really happy with it.
And the team was amazing. So this is the best team to come to for this. Okay. Come here.
Thank you so much for doing this. Hopefully we'll follow you along the way. I appreciate it. Hopefully this inspires somebody out there. And welcome to the family. You did great.
I can't wait for the results. Yes, of
Awesome.
course. Alrighty.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.